Bremoto ahaya SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Ghana de Shimaima Yamamunya ha ewie ebranso se de SOMPA kasebo esomo kasebo yi efri SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra no enam ye headquarters e wo Kumase eye SOMPA 93.1 FM sanso ena ye wo Adam for Radio eno e wo Paris France Doma FM Doma Hinkro eno ye 100.7 enkranza mensonom eye 90.7 techima SOMPA Aye 106.1 FM Sunyana SOMPA 98.9 Kingdom Mankasim Aye 106.1 FM Kanesh Urban Radio and also Ewo Kaneshi Market Awo Moso Mudiamaye and what she decoder so baby radio one SOMPA FM and Ubehu your Facebook page Aye SOMPA Accra 106.5 live SOMPA Accra .sompaonline.com Aye endpoint homeopathy clinic Dr. Duboatin, I ho, a endpoint, Emma Yarewano, or more a boy chidom, perfect baby diapers, and no, and I would the ball bano bano so a bonnet to baya, Emma Aquadano, wonya, ne soft skin, no, rashes bia Emma, intimento inferior diaper, they will hear a perfect baby diapers. Had your special local foods, any casa natural mineral water, woman a boy chidom, I mean a day from Tobraka Sebono, ye day a sumo and ne. And some of your day as some mono, Dedi Makotino, Ebini.
Dum judgment kono abua kwanta adiaba enran so ye toye ewon kramante mun sane honsam esiti
na ye kopie tabora abepiem se abrosan bi etoaso miensa edan na jire gu fom enam esubrane no enra ehyiegu fom ewon kran ha no
sanso na Ghana man panyi ye Rojon Dramani Mahama etwasika 300 million Ghana cedis adiato ho a ensuo ye yiri ye nioma asasai ye de bebo ho bra
Ghana Meteorological Agency Meteo Force embrace yourself emza no pe kurenso no kurasan to kakra de aguso wo mo se ye nyina ye nya krado na enkran ensuo no fofronso eba
na won monyafo senator Ajiman Rollins ana ekasai wase nsuo yi asase a atoto na yiri fa de hye no wo ma Ghana no ye hu ne saso bi ye tiseida
Chief Executive Officer the Environmental Protection Agency so asamoa wode atodwane se wo mo baba behye na mia ensuo a efi akomu no ye jiri ni nyina e de efri ho
sanso ana Ghana ban anso erbokokobi ya wo kire se oni hwe fa obi bia na South Africa man mu a won basra de hye no mu otom ebre wenye bra e wo se etu kwan kɔ ho
emre bi etwam umra hye badwane no wo anyanso utom Dr. Dexon Adomako kisese nadbofwe munyai emo no ene mattress na mo che no emo ne mattress no munyai che na mompe kwan ye befa so a ensuo ni mayiri mfa ye no eno ne ye pena se ensuo ni bayiri afa ye wie na mo bra ye mo ne anwa ene mattress se ye na so ne de Dr. Dexon Adomako kisese woni nadbofo nya adwene
na wo panyi pabin so etu mabunu ne fo waze social media wo hoi ni wura mfi ade o enti wa hyase a wo yi wo ho na wode to aba fonten afidie no so kaisa dache ebedunya
asante mantem mu yensentroni ni ba wo bedu dia ba bedan ye se Ghana police fo wo mu nipa ba ko asante mantem mu wafiri mu yaya wo kan kwanhie mu eba ne san wo ehwan market wo
sanso no mafo ya wo mosu sanso enso ano dem a kire se efi enya sem ketwa ma emu sam te sei
ensempii ka wenum ho ne de som se kasebo de free SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra yetena yekase a ewo dome Watermelon Street a eben dome market no na ye de ababe sommo ye ne de kasebo yi emam wawie yi esutobre yi a enso igusua ejejai eye me de nyame ye hyira no akosua ago aboagye ubetimi so afre me akosua nhyira me ne me doba
akosua agyewa kodie boatin afei ansam ni nchwemu ankasa enie yanem sa afibia yade a ensuo to ewo ma Ghana mu nanso afi wensu a ahyase a etoto ne yade a eni enyan pa na omanfo kora be kaye ahyase ba se ma chene mu wo ana abomu a ba pem June bosomi a enne eye de twato ewo bosomi mu na eno de ye di twam kora sanse eno de no omanfo no kire se ahyase ahomache no ene bomu a ewo mu na apete kakra na agye mu kakra na sanso ahyase no fe na wi akire no efiri basa no pano nsia ade kro no eje mu denden so eto apentia ye so fra wo mo ayedum gya adwumakuo na fe nadmo sa wo mo eba be ye bi ade aboa sanse bra nsuo no hyase a na etoto sa ani ano din ya na yenti no na mani padodo no a wo mo ntimi nkyina wo mo fie wo ma wo mo store mu nsuo na boa wura ho wo ma wo mo fie nsuo na memene no na je se ene nsuo na ye pako num de no kwasem nie emu nan wo mo afiri mu na enan no wo mo kire mu se emu miensa eye mema ba konso yoba wo mo de ebetumi akanse so dua se wo no afiri mu ebradum gya adwumako no wo mo ekohu wo mo no eno mo kire se ba ko oka wo ma ne yenum no wo no so de wayera wo ma hwe na kira kwan bepem ne wo mu hunu na kira kwan ba bia wafa na aka wo bi ama ADO1 Alex Kenate wo no eka wo mo kasade madum gya adwumako a ewo ma Ghana mu no ho wo ne nsamtwofo akasa na nsam wo kyerehye mu no o man tie bi mra
muti ya mpa nipa studio dosu o hwe se aka odona ndra no meka se ensakoye se twin disaster ni se ejashi no na flat so ekoso na yekoye se yekwa kodunja no yefa so e de boa nipa na odona nkwampo keke no nipa itimi bo mu free amanihunu ni wensuo no eka ko be se nipa be 300 ni itimi yi omo a che se out of 300 no na nipa 4 ewuye ko ni ewuye no na yo baba ko ni ndema miensa a omu wo odona honom twa ni hwe child so a nipa be ba ko 105 in the year mo child nti hwe say these two areas no kwampo no we are looking at over 400 apart from honom no kaswa ye boanko 4 taifa ye ko boanko 4 temani town e rescue honom boni bebre nti nipa bo mo de over 500 and so no that's no de which me confirm say akra kwano nipa ewuye bebe 12
na mekrokrom wono no de afutuo ema Ghana fo se edru ma bia yenso ye moa wo mu woni ehunu se wo mo so ye nipa obi maame ne wo mo obi papa ne wo mo wo mo so agya won mo abusua ho a wo mba baje Ghana fo nkwa na enu awre wo sem dum gya adwumakuo no namu a wo mo de ahoma asa wo no ache se wo mo kwakwa yi nkrofo no ba ko eyi na hwemo mensuo no de na kwa Ghana fo gina kire sere wo mo twetwetwetwe che se de won mo ye no kora de enye no ho ne ye dwene ho eno so mu nsem kakra ni
Into no kasi mo call center crash as a course eguswa eba ye dispatch and for I respond but a year na impende be mu bi say dey na fire service area yes em bi seti mo phone so e dey no so mo ye as a service no sabi nsako ne nsaba e betimi aye yesu na ye die enso nkofo anya asuti wo ncheche de be mo na nkofo be busu so atututo mo bola egu gotamu a na chese dey no matter the fire service obi bia no on mema ye juma no I cost 90 as a service no ya bobo who get nkofo ready for emergencies you go so ye get ye cars ready ye cars are say kakra e betimi aye yes nenso no e be ka letima mu phone so be mo so no mo de esa na ye reduce events like that into no illustrate as a service there we are on high alert and so no tima mu phone so no o so no mo de ni ntimi bo mo ho ban yi
abusia wai ayedum gya adwumakuo no empanyefo ya won kasade ma won mu baako ADO1 Alex Kenate
Meka wo se sompa kase bo na wuti efi sompa 106.5 FM Accra endpoint homeopathy clinic endpoint ema wo yare nyina na perfect baby diapers no nye inferior diaper superior diaper wo de bo ba ebetimi abo ye kasa natural mineral water na no achi haja special local foods na ebo ye chidom am ye de prem to brekase bo no asommo na ye to so akoye ni matabora number 9 won kran ha enro nso na toy no mo so mo wo ho ana 7-story building bi edan a wo mu sie edan no kra na wapa wo be bedrooms be ye nso me fan say 3-story building adampon be ye nso ene wo mu edan yi wo mu guso wo mu sikro mu wie but nipa wo mu enti efiewura ne se ama nkrofo giri se nsuo no a etemu na anome no efri ahomache no miensa na nsuo no hyanse enra adwada no anti eduro enumre na nkono no na ese dan no waboho edan no wabre nsuo na nonome no ni nyina adwiri edigofu yetie ye ne se wo ma na omu ofie ho no wo mu nyina efri ho na oba panyine anasa landlady efie no ye ne dia no ekire mu se emse babie wo no nsuo wo ho ene wo mo akwakosi wo mo dan e wo ho eti National Disaster Management Organization wo mo
say radi e dey na ba yesu nti prekupe no na mo say dede o start me start friend ma me mo e chiro ba say o mo pie nti me yes ye pie ye na so ma me fa ntare bi na bia na say really say sia me ahye ko ra dem ho no na store no say me fa we kwa na ko fa pant me fa wa ma ko fa brazier je o pie ya ni ben
we eye fiewura no a ne dan adwiri ede agufom e waterborn number 9 e wo enkran ha e 7 bedroom e wo 3-story building mu abrosan ye to sompre miensa ena anumre no nkro no a ena esi ya sabre nadmofuo kwakohye na wo mu aye ho adwuma.
I was so your talk as your bono as so a free SOMPA 106.5 Accra. Na Ghana man penny Roger Dramani Mahama and Radabra. Na ensure no a togusa no not just say what then na Korazan say one no and acquire batanya wadon my morning in Anua. I was so shady year at 2 year na Kwabana Sano. One also to a helicopter motion shemia yakuto ya just say ensure na yira fana this year no more. Just say anya sem ketuama and no one and Krakraba say Jubilee House a quano so baby. And also yire enti nyasem keto ma free man panyina tena ye de banyina baabi anyosa na Ghana man panyi Roger Dramani Mahama kire se sane anioma se bi ka kɔ no ye hia ensese ye papa de mu woten ya ebetumi aboa Ghana man na o man no ankasa ensuo to a ebeyira fa ye no sane o man nyina eto obetwa no wo sane manfo bo se wona nneti konfama ye da de obetumi biya ye obeya ebema senso yiri eto atimi atwa no wono so be na famu de.
We'll call a National Security Council meeting. We're asking every district to identify, together with the Works and Housing Ministry, where the blockages in the channels are as they pass through the district assemblies, so that we can earmark those places for removal. We'll not only break the houses, we have to move the rubble out of the way, because there's no use breaking a house and leaving the rubble in the waterway. It's just the same as leaving the house. And so it's going to be quite a major issue in order to resolve the problem of Accra. But ultimately, the other solution will be to decongest Accra, and that's why we're planning that we move some of the city out, that is the major government departments, and then also create a new center of growth so that our people will start building outside Accra in a new city instead of everybody looking for some space in Accra to build. So, but that's a long-term solution, like I said.
Na anu no ana mampanyi de beto aso se anai wamo de ato nadmo adwumako no wanim se wano hyase ne omanfo a wom ho kan ye ewo ensuyiri mu no wom no obi ani nkomo ne ehunu nipa dodo no pote se ne be ya nadmo adwumako no ebetumi akọ omomoa.
It's a 20-year project. We are still working on the designs. Once they do that, we'll demarcate. People can start buying plots. If they like, they can start building houses. We'll do the roads, bring the water and electricity so that it eases the pressure on Accra as a city. But I just want to express my sympathy with people who have lost property. Loss of property has been very extensive. And I want to thank the military, NADMO, the police, and the Hydro Works and Housing Ministry, and all the emergency response team, 48th Engineers Regiment, for the rescue that they did. I've seen many of the videos where people had to be carried out of their houses. They deployed their boats, and they helped to save quite a lot of lives. NADMO will do what it can to try and identify the victims and see how we can just support them in a way in the next few days. I've asked the Minister of Finance to release some money from the contingency fund so that we can do some post-flood relief for persons who have been affected.
I was so worried. I Ghana man penny Roger Dramani Mahama and your tenant canona. I was asking Koya one can be Makrata 1020 from Mancasiamo Abba. Wapani Payo Casari Magana buying Yera Felix of Fosukwa Chenensa Ashasie. Now I trust a Ghana buying Yaman penny Roger Dramani Mahama Dianimuno. One am so easy about 300 million Ghana cities. Ya watcha a dear to one was saying for Mobra. Na and so you know. After father, Shannon, Dodo no one your Maya Asa say any adiano. Yen to me and Franciano Quine. Now, 300 million Ghana cities no watch the atono. Say in the Munche Musity. One much almost say a 150 million Ghana cities necessary can move fa. Ebeko edia maye nuano mo a wom ho aka ewom wom a wom nuoma sasai eya chese won man fa pin kura amfa firim saafo no nyina ne ye bewase ye de betumi akomomoa na enuoma atumi akoyie ana efai eno so 150 million Ghana cedis no eno so wom bewase Yaya would near and so ye tabisi cutting in ad yama waka. Watching be no sassam groye. Yabasa baba can want some messages cut button a day at one naka will be a Ghana mampany. What an some aqua crown watchers a washer. Ghana Armed Forces at Macono matras for Macono. A fay Ghana Police Service. Some woman not much Macono and Kamum. Nadum Judge Maco and son can be. Now one more has some yaya would do. One moon to me quayina, one bit to me. Now one more addition was sunny paya. And so yet at once me. And conquer for yen cassia to say ye. And far emirate say ye. And far emirgana mine.
Meka wo sasum paka sebona wutie fi sumpa 106
Ghana mine.
Meka wo sasum paka sebona wutie fi sumpa 106.5 FM Accra no hunsensem ya Ghana Meteorological Agency wo mo dia tudwa se enkran ene ne mpotamo ensuo ne de bebre enam kwanso a eba enti yemo abo ye hunsie eno ase de ensuo esi toye na nkran ba bia efa ye mia bi te se kanashi adabraka seke weja adenta East Legon Achimota Spinters ene Kwame Nkrumah interchange mpotamo bebia N1 bebi bebre ensuo efa kro no nyina no mumu a na aya tete deputy ene obama ne se yenhwe ni mu se na didi ye nimu no ensuo de bebre beto ene kra no peya ye te ha ye kasompa kase boyi ensuo ya petepete kakra eti omanfo nyina mu oni na wo se aboa wo efse ensuo no nya de a ejaye.
We should still expect some high probability of rainfall from this evening into tomorrow. And like I said earlier, tomorrow there's also a high probability of similar rainfall happening. So again, I'll use this opportunity to also engage people. Please, if even you don't know, just go on any of our social media handles. At X is Ghana Meteorological Agency. You'll be able to find some of this information there. So this information is for the next 24 hours, for the midweek, and also for the weekend. So you should be able to at least have a fair idea of what is going to happen during the entire week.
Eni ye Dr. Ignatius Kwekuli Williams wo yo kwanche for panyina wo na Ghana Meteo Agency wo da wo mo no Ghana Meteorological Agency ena wa kire mu se yenhwe ni mu se nkran ne mpotamo no ensuo no bebre enam kwanso a eba
na won mo nya for Senator Ajiman Wallens wono ana ye mra shebedwane a wo gine mo de mo manfo a yenni amameto.
This has been quite devastating. I mean, the rainfall has been torrential, to put it mildly, but the flooding is on a level that I don't think we've witnessed before. We've had the police, the fire service, the 48 engineers and the Navy, as well as the fishermen who came over from Usu and brought their canoes to help in the rescue efforts. Unfortunately, there are some people who are refusing to leave their premises, and some are saying because they are afraid that they'll be looting if they leave their premises. But there's also a fire that's raging through the Odona market, which seems to be out of control, but unfortunately the fire service is not able to access the location because the flood water is quite deep, and it's quite devastating to actually see. NADMO is present, but NADMO did not have the relevant equipment that was required. That's why everybody has been pitching in. It's rather unfortunate.
Na kwakwa mu no ano de betu dwatresa ano dabra na admojmeko no won moko ya se wo moko akoye adehia no mu no hunu bibi sa enya nneoma no nyina bi no mu wonti duru ba bi no mo brepa na sa de yi ebra wo mbekọ mra hye bidwafia bia no wo bra so oboko akopagya aba na adwento ato a enso atumi akoso.
I think this is an issue that certainly I'll have to raise on the floor of Parliament, but I think it's obvious enough that there is an issue, and I have no doubt that the government is going to actually act on this quite urgently, because the mandate of NADMO is to be able to deal with all of these as an agency that should be coordinating all the other agencies in a situation like this. They do need the resources, and I think that we have to be able to approve the budget that is of the right level, for what they need to do. You have a fire that's raging. Fire service can't get access to the location to even put the fire out, which means that on top of whether we've had loss of lives, on top of all the devastation, you also have people who will now have to deal with the damage, the loss to livelihoods afterwards. This is a serious issue, and we're really going to have to sit down and have a real conversation on the action moving forward on how to address this.
I was on the return Kai, I own Monya for Senator Ajiman Wallens, one no, I call it what take Marshall Bujani.
Yetwa Kasiebono Suana, Chief Executive Officer the Environmental Protection Agency, Professor Nana Ama Brown Kluche, was the agency no ebeshena polluted rivers ahuduo in Sutene Abduduana Bioha Unkoshano, na a fee adokrumua, a free illegal mining, and as a galamse jumediano, ye be in every ho anasi betune sepanchi, we are na yasamba baba beshe, chemical treatment be a abeka in suno. It in so bebre asay. Enam san illegal mining yi eti niema na enam galamse so ababetu nsuo no ebehye na ye free ho na de etoso biemu so ye de niema sisi yi na etimi aboa yi panti weni anamoto a EPA4 ebetu e de aboa nsuo ho nsensem no.
EPA did a proof of concept with the technology to clean our water bodies, and that is proven. One challenge we also encountered is that the waters are not flowing, and so even if you treat the flowing river, it doesn't really flow because the rivers are choked or blocked with silt. So the first thing to do is to dredge and allow the flow, and then you can now apply the ionet nano copper to clean the river. That will remove the heavy metals, and it will also help with the turbidity levels. This will equally allow the Ghana Water Company to get good enough water to treat for our potable water that we need.
Nanu chino sandi tu just said the agency ne be ne se baby wo ho asese ensuo fa no dodo na emu asi eti nsuo ne nya baby mfa ensuo no so de wuntimi nse ne kwan eti ne kwan no wo fa wono so be fa wo kwan.
From the EPA's assessment throughout the countries, we have also realized that most river paths are choked because of silt, sand that are in the rivers. We also see that some illegal miners, illegal other activities have diverted the river path through other areas. What EPA will do is not just to dredge the rivers, we do a whole engineering, allowing the rivers to flow to their source where they come from to where they need to go into the ocean eventually. There are wetland areas which has been also used up by our same people, so we need to also allow the wetlands to function. There are storage areas for these unused waters when it rains. We need to allow the wetlands to also function as part of our ecosystem, and that's EPA is going to ensure that is done. EPA will be collaborating with the land use and planning people or company to allow the waterways that are being blocked by houses and other built environments. So we allow, when it rains, water to flow to wetland areas, to river areas, and then eventually to the sea.
Eni ye Professor Nana Ama Brown Kluche, wo ye Chief Executive Officer the Environmental Protection Agency, wone kasa ya, and central tam yena, and central for mass no SOMPA Kasiebonso, ya tesimu ediama moye.
Na Greater Accra Resilient and Integrated Development Project, one more, Eda one mabemu se wado river, one bahana fe, one matiti timwa, gatas no emwa sisi, and rivers noa, e muno na tia kwa tate muno, one more adia to ja etrose, wado river, no one more de kwenyano, Eda one mabem, na one more years or hamunche mu aduana 40%, womgusuada etimu, enti Anton Copim se a fee and connery de o, not a one de one more to me every Sunday baya, and Siota, Engri and for forces woman say and no shock who be a was a siena ensure any annual dear frana fee a woman for the one about la quacogumointino ensure to enche na a yiri at your faso na quaco franco for mufi and I'm swintino womsu guan was away be at diabua now project coordinator aye or hinesafo one no arena sompakasi ekasasi.
We are at different stages. Okay, so we are supposed to work on let me start from the dredging. There was a backlog of materials within the basin. Our dredging starts from Caprice to the Kole. The choice was based on the fact that from Caprice to the Kole is the shallowest gradient of the channel. And to that extent, there's a lot more the consolidation of sediment on that section, which impedes the flow and then causes the spillovers into the adjoining communities and so on. So the dredging, you have to do the clearing of the backlog, then you do the maintenance dredging as well, based on the rate at which sediments are re-entering the channel. So the dredging, for example, the contractor has been able to do 40% or so. We are expecting him to finish the entire dredging before the end of the year.
I was away one no one and a Greater Accra Resilient and Integrated Development Project no wire coordinator ya odano.
Yet to Cassia bonus one America was a higher SOMPA 106.5 FM crap to Cassia bar. Endpoint to homeopathy clinic, perfect baby diapers, Haja special local foods, Necasana Tramino water, ABOAGYE Chidomino, and ye did some more and pay, Mr. Moye. Now yet once one Rashebe Jenny that and no and Yanso Utum, a Dr. Dixon Aduma Kisi was a national disaster management organization. Yadamonsi, send so to say a nemoni and one mattress in Nenemu. Ye had ye here and son, I had ye fata. Ekuna mo so mo befa so aboa ma nsuo no kura mayiri mfa ye no eno na mo nhwe ho adwuma nti stop sharing rice and mattresses, focus on flood prevention. Edidi opa che ne se ekwan befa so e besia no kwan kura na nsuo no mefa ye nwie na ye wi ayes mo made mo ne anwa na monye mattress nkoda so no eno enesese nadmofo omudi wo mani kire na wo mo bohu dawuro na ne yesese ye no ye fise dua bewo no ye to ase ye nsensene ho what the sanse me to dwabre no Greater Accra region ha ensuo toto ye ma nipa free mu e ma odo na mpotam ho no ikuro bebre ensuo ne fa no mum edi hene e wo so na aya tete Dr. Adumako Kisi ebra wo kasa na wo chem se nadmo efie bebre ni ene ma omu hi omudi bedi wo mu dwuma na bo mu se de etira bokoto no eti abanhye wo mafunu mu ma na mo mu so temi asum yi.
It's a very painful experience, family members. In fact, when children who have a future's life are taken by floods, it's always so painful to me. Adults, yes, but 3-year-olds, 9-year-olds, terrible. And so the stories, you can see cars are gone, but cars are not life. And no life in that Mr. Finance Minister really carefully look at the reimbursement to NAD, and NADMO officials did not use it for rice and mattresses. We want some preventative work. I don't know. Do we have a minister works in housing? Do we have one? I am not feeling it, and I'm an ordinary Ghanaian. I have to say it needs to wake up.
We futu Dr. Dixon Adumako Kisi. Emre bi echemo no na enya so wutu mo ye mrahye bedwani na futu a wode ama NADMO ene Ghana fo no.
Afei ye ko ensem foforo mu na yodan ka mamane dada South Africa man mu a ewuruka sam na ne mabone a ekoso ho no enya sem keto mane nyina no yese wo mo ekirem se adehye a wo firi wo mu kuroso aba South Africa man mu no wo ma ba je won madwuma ye no so de won mo ntia se enti ene ne ye baboro mu obi ankom kurom na saa de no a ekoso ro kura ka ho bi ma na nsentam Ghana ban esi gina ye kofa na dehye dodo no a asa de wo mu ba won mu nchi sansa ba bi ya ne ha bia no won ma sabi wo kwantwoma a emrinti e wo so mbetena won munchi na won mo hyase ayi adwuma na ye ka se kokobo Africa na ban enchen dia kwa mo bibiata ya waye na dwene se wo pese wo tu kwan na ni kire ya da na wo South Africa man mu se kebetumi a anka menko sa wo pese wo konso a ene na ya hwe yie pa sanse won ma hunu se ene wo ye kire kyenkyere nche bi abekoso e wo South Africa man mu na won ma bo South Africa ban no apunum wo mo se won mo nte ho hwe na sempo bibisa akora gu akwan mu a wom de nhyama pa gu akwan na so so aduruma bi ya na yese dodo no ano no kora bi etato ejo mo de mo bo Ghana fo nyina akokose anka betumi am obi akora anya adwene se wo tu kwan de akọ South Africa man mu mprempre ya sansa ne yakoso e wo man mu no enya sem keto makora na nanse mu a yesa hye wo mo ya yeyi wo mo de free world cup no mu kora de jai aka wo mo se de kwanfo bone a kuma kanda bone no ama won makom no abagidigidi a won pese wo mo pam nkrofo dodo no a ade free won mu kuro no so na wo mo akasa tena wo mo man mu ayi adwuma enti ene na obi yantena ne kuro mu de ne na Ghana foi ya koto asere obi bia da tena wo kuro mu otom na wankwa nkoduru ho ansan so amfa koto sere ne video ahodo amra Ghana ban se wo mra ma ye wo moa na ba bia wote no ano edin aban no anam asuaye a one more shank or former man won some Swahili Samuel, what could you to black what the mountain to mine, and a one more to us and a crocram wono, and on the Baba to Jatra said, one goes and a South Africa mino a dinkomodie. Now some could to us a Ghana mine said, one cassa a shay away, and one yasin so bad you watching ye, never yet you know, of Wakoka and Sinsimu.
Yadru asantemantam muni ensentro ni ba wobedu e de baba dan ye se Ghana Police Service and Krabata wa asantemantam na Ashanti region wo ma de mia ebra police officer bi ka bi bo no ma ni wu ya ampon fochem se ehwan market wa mamponten ho e na rehusami esiye na mpanifo adi free tafo pankrono divisional police divisional motor traffic and transport department MTTD wo mo de etudwa no na mpanifo chem se de how we esiye de na atete wo panyina wo free mu the number no 49152 G Sergeant Michael Otu na wo mo chem se na anu ya papa yi na recently ya na attach no e de ama Tafo Pankro no divisional MTTD eho na woye adwuma na already unregistered royal motorbike ibia na odi free bomfa a wode kɔ Tafo Pankro no a wo no ho na no kwakoye na adwuma e wo ho na sa wo haw ene abenedie no esiye na police force ebra wodru ehwa market ho no unregistered Honda Acura ibi saloon car ibi free here kai ebe bo no Emma police officer ya na woto motorbike sui crash no ekun sergeant otu ya akwakoye arehosem papa jese woni bomfonyi ne so a na aye atete pa yede sergeant otu yedi kande ni kopie konfanoche teaching hospital e wokoma se emergency care ho se wo mo enhwe no nanso wo mu koduru ho no na wo free mu kra na se wo free mu kra wotini motorbike so a wo kwa adwuma watiefo wotini motorbike so a wo kwa adwuma na suspected driver na wo yes abone ne yese abrantie bi efa na Mafu Emmanuel wanya mfie aduonu na a 24-year-old Mafu Emmanuel ona sense police for edina kwakotumu a ye yasem no hwehwemu MTTD for wo mo agye atum se arehosem ya asiampa nkwanhia bi akoso wo sa accident vehicle yi ene sa motorbike no entemo a empanifo echirem se de abedru ne de yesese ye hwe na ye hunu ne nam so pote pa ema opanyini sergeant otu ya wo kwakwakoye na adwuma yi na wote ne motorbike so a wodru ahwa market ho a abrantie Mafu Emmanuel wanya 24 years free here wode ka ya bebo no amana afri mu ya Tafo Pankro no divisional command wo musi asemi wo masom wo amma abusua no ya kwa wo mugusua eya asem no hwehwemu de be free mu ababia yensentro ni ba wo be dudia santemantem nsem ayese pro ne mpontere wode be baba betu yanim
awusia yako ansanfufro mu na awoko ahafo Southwest ye no ewa santemantem a District Director of Education ye wonum yora Justin Akwasi Bato ana wade afutuo ama Ghana fo yi wase enden kam ye social media nti ye frefra ye ne sisi aso ana nioma ehunyi nko a obi asore ya wo so trend enti wo ye ya no wororo ne ho sabi o no wo kaka safin wo didi atam no wo ye nioma nsam fata ebewie kire a wo pa awade anasem ene oban mra bi atwam ne wo ye nam so nti wo koto asere mabunu se nya hwe ye pa sempo no ye de social media ne ba ye atuma ye wasa nioma de ba ye no ebe ye futuo ebe ye abrabo pa ya dane da nyina no sempo obi kaye ya ye re enkowo ye ho
social media no de ebeko bia enwu da hoda unim dia dachi sa sebio kasa bia wo kai ho ante enim panifo bia wodi wo matem atutu bi mane wo mo a emfa kwan mu no sa de no unim ebre bia safo bi be bia punu bia ma wakodi di bre bia na be bo wo aseten bi mu obi ba ko yi sa de na ba apart from no wo ma be hunu wo abusuafo enti se entity e pa wo ho a wo na kasa na de na wo ye bisa wo se ye wo na wo sa di bre na wo to ma no wo mo a so wo be pese sa na ye nye no ana enti wo misa so wo adwen kire bi a yemfa no enidie kwa so na mom enko ya tem didi moma ye ni ehuni mabunu no ye ni ehuni o social media no so social media no si ye use ni here ye betumi anya mfaso die bebre wo TikTok ne di aka nyina no ebinom fa ho di nyesika wo engineer na wo nye something more productive na wo fa nya na mom fa ye a distractive adia obeya say adia na wo kwa dia kire dia emwa obi antwe ne wufu na enye dia beboa ye
na anu achiro no wode afutuo aitoa so achiro se sempo no wo betena social media no so no odidi watamu a eno so nkyere se wasa so tena so bi na kasa fia ensem fata o kan bi kire ni pakro
sa social media yi a enipa bi afa so edi kasa ho ntie afa mpanimfo ne no ma bi a omu fi se omu no mu ne sa de ekona anya adwen na omu kasa sebi o ho ntie no omu ka no sa social media no asusu betumi anya bi no omu kasa ho ti a betumi asa kyerɛkyerɛ no ma bi ama wanya ntete pa bi na me de sa wo kasa ho ntie na wo kasa tia mpanimfo ne de ka ho a hu ni se ntete setia pani no afifie so what asie se so ka setia pani a enya de eye efise pani na obi anya bida badabo friday obi aye bida enti wusu beduru ho enti wuduru sa wusu aye pani no wo mo a wo wachi omusu ano omusu nka sentia wana so woni obi nya adwena eya temdiri ana de bi enti na ofise wo adwen ye soronko sin de ekɔ ho fa wadwen ne bra ensi sɛ saa adwen na ɔde ba no kasafi fa ho ba ka wo kasa ani de kwan so kyerɛ wadwen.
Abusuawai, District Director of Education, Yawa Fuano South West, Mansinimu, Ora Justin, Akwasi, Boto, Namanaboy, Yamanaboni, Yawatu, and Crafra Santa Mantemo, Ebenezer, Oswan Sa, and Edebasumi.
Yetwaka Sebono so Municipal Chief Executive Officer Dema Afuano North Municipal Assembly Shanti region Honorable Kwesi Edusei eno se manfo ne mpotemu ho nyina mpumtuo no wakwakọ hese de city office opese mfuntuo no esane wawa na sade sompa kasebo ya fa to ye ho so se brano no ye bekọ mmea kọ hese de mpumtu dwuma city no DC nso so onso se nani abremesro MC onso se nani abre pa onso se de sompa fo ya ye kọhye no onso so wontena office obetu anamo na wakọ akọhye adwumadi ahodo no masua ho ne mmea ne manfo ho nyina no akọhye manfo health center ahye wo mo ward ne 6 classroom block bi nso a wo mo esie na MC de to yen central ni Ebenezer Wusu ansan nim se empumtuo e na aban bi apɛ na ono mampanyi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ene osinanem ne bohye bi a obehye bi obehwe se bohye no ebebem.
And then so, Yamiadum, Yababa Behe, ward, yes, City Amam for Health Center, Yamiadum, contractor, no oversight. I heard you here, Ekoye, na intimate office, na the BING reports, since SSA MC, so me, I'm the many Beshe Jumedian, na BBH Majo or Mubiano, so Mediman to Ansana Dan baby, by and so Yamiadum project, and so Eko, and 10 times any, Yapenona, contractor, no way within schedule. Then you can say, Abuswa in 6 months, contract in the Sotiano. Yeah, say, Obitime. They say, we're deep 2.5 months. You will maybe a word real. You say, Obitime meeting timelines. And then so, yes, that was what Baba Beshe, Numesia, 6 unit classroom block, so I see. Me, I don't know, so contract and so why are they? Should be a human, so Edria. Just honestly within schedule. And so about 2.5 months so far, Senate man say Yamiadum as municipal chief executive, many answer. See, because I show Munkran, so many of Munyan.
We are into Numasia, a hono, 6 unit classroom block be omusi wo and a man phones wo mokoshe health center be and so musidi aboa de hye na wo masetema tumpon no and a honorable Kwesi do say wo no any a bank crash panyinia wo afo ano note or de etu dwama yen central ni Ebenezer Owusu ansa etintim ye e de besum ye ewie
na wokọ soso nso yamfo ene nkronkro ahodo a etwa tano north kropon mu enwohye no a wamafo ye te won so no damu a won mu supa wom so duru wa anya asem ketewa efin chese ase ya sheda pa na ya so bora de aba beguo enti ama ya de nketenkete bia hase eyi ne ti e wokro no so a anam sunti won bekoto sere mpanyifo se womra mu na womeye won momoa na ebra ya man bodi na najma opambo kopi ho no wone kromafo no bia wom so so edi nkomosei
Yes, assembly has been on Babafa. Still, a pound to my son, and I'm crying Maria. There'll be a time I enter and cry while Yarin Mount Cassia. I don't know because of this boy. It's timeless and the home. If no one to stories, see a battle, canning to picking will be moved any other day. This one. I've been calling me from the you know, many family man that ban me a penny. Now, if there be a couple of 10 years with him, I'm a community be out of the Minnesota and a papa. Your grand communal labor, no purpose here. This is a toilet, I'm for the good port in the Guya, and for the rain.
Molande, if you saw Moody Bessie had the Nian Casa de New, so my baby of one day night, and Mammy Dua, on I'm off of the 2 guys here. Now was a save show, move the 2 guys and not save. I think it's honest for a break. Well, it's you, and you want for the bears are with my collection point, you might say, and carry all my class. You need Walla be a closer to us. Say you will if you a bit my day. I could to her a previous government through the MC. Lobby for this Bola point, which young food area more you have about 5 collection points and 5 collection points. But over recently, about food by and Bola we all check.
I was your warrior to memo for one more tissue son so and any abon boni nanajman or pambo edium comoy.
Kasebo wuti free SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Endpoint homeopathy clinic Dr. Dubois Echiachiawo ewie no osmi musa say stroke and ase mubo yare na ejeje wana anase uyo bi ayade bia je onipedua na boso a woje hu ba bia enye Dr. Dubois say bra Endpoint homeopathy clinic evisa yare sapapa ene ede ebema wo na no through innovation with the instant man aba ase wusom wa wutimi se onipedua na wanye na bro bia Kenya memma nipeduam ntitru ememma empanifo no yede awo na echa wompo a na de bia wo de life bo na wo ngoja wo mo bra Endpoint na abewo henasa abom Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic say prostate more hawa and also woye ho adwuma pa. Premature ejaculation, nerve diseases, kidney issues, liver issues. O ma me anasa wo papa bi ebubu agu ho afa na bra. Ya wa nurse for na doctor fu ebegina no so ahwe no akopem se ne ho beto no. Eye Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Physiotherapy and massage nso wo de ye adwuma. Enti fre Dr. Dubotin ene ne dom e wo 0244 ekeno. Ye friend share signboard ne ho na wo headquarters no e wo. Tema community 22 ba ko ho. Enti de bema na ye simple ama one se wo be frɛ 0244867068 0244867068 na wodem na awie me kamfo perfect baby diapers e de ama wo obatan oba na wawo no no a unse obi age akoda na no asade wade aban wonim de entia ma menkyerɛ wo diaper na ebo akoda na nya entia ma sente ba wo ba no eti do obi age akoda na no ode na ma wo ne fi se diapers ni bi wo ho a eye inferior diapers oba ne bo no odwonso na dwonso na gye ne ho ena akoda bi wonso wo gya ne nan ya na agye ne ho na akoda nso de wo bo ne diapers ya nya dwonso na ese bi agya na nti na ade bo no na emum ne ni kwase yete ena diapers ni bi wo kora wo de abo akoda no na epepe fa ho na epepe fa ho wo gya se wo ti wa wura ho ade ya ensu afa wo ka na wo ti ase no wonyim se ka no betimi atofoforo bra hagya bra bedidi ma delivery guy nye busy 0246359921 0246359921 wa wie no anum nsuo ye fa ne kasa na trami no awota abuju nsuo ensu krogen wo ye party wo ye wedding wo ye yie wo pensuo dia serve wo ho a eye kasa natural mineral water Kasaloma Ventures for ada woroma wo mo taifa ha ya Bok Hospital achi ho kasa natural mineral ya Bok Hospital achi ho kasa natural mineral wo wutimi se wa ye fine wo wugiri se enye minum nsuo no makopa yare because ensuo bi wa wo no ma de typhoid brew ensuo bi be brew typhoid ensuo bi be brew infection ensuo bi be brew yare ensuo a won hawo na ensuo bi be brew yare ensuo a won hawo na woni padua be sresre no eye kasa natural mineral water fra Kasaloma Ventures for na pedesefo na pedudu obi a wo pesa sachet ni bi se wo pe bottled water se wo pe dispensers ni bi de si office a wo be serve wo ho ene wadwuma yefo a dispensers ni bi de si office a wo be serve wo ho ene wadwuma yefo a eye 020 64 69430 020 64 69430 na kasa na trami no water etimi abo meka wasa sompa kasebo ena wutie fe sompa 106.5 FM akra se ye home so ne ye ba ye betu fa so okorre akwakopie South Africa ede na Ramaphosa eka ede afa demonstration o mo so mo betu awo ho ede afri krom ho no 21st Clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene efa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu woje ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma gye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gye international awards ahodo wo mu gye local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gye 21st Clinic nkwa wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so eho na wo behu ye 0540 311 0540 Next 21st Clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Kwa Jesu. Why no Mr. Bremois? I am you. Na dana kodani susa. Yam se kom na dinu. Ani se wasu. Mr. Fane mame. Hey, akodana dagi so musa no. She, ni court ni mu krafo. Wo de mame nyini diaper no.
Diaper no kra de. Masisa. Me wuni amenyempo.
Aya diaper na. She, diaper fufura abadwa so eye perfect baby diaper. Perfect baby diaper make na asemi. Chinsu ankasa. Emu ya moton na ade bo akoda na. Ensanse bia enwu no. Perfect baby diaper make ye ne Ghana ha ye na ebua Ghana nkwada nso ankasa. ono kwa na okwa me ko perfect baby diapers bi ato sisia na akwada na
Fred 0531 099 889 and 0303 957 965. FDA Aji Ejodi Nkratoi Atum.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albert Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wasra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us Sompa First Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bro Onyankopon kasa chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Sompa First Service entwa wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsia. Fa woda ni na share radensa. Na erade beye.
Sompa TV Emma Akitiapa.
I was your more so much yama yakwa bana yakwa South Africa mine mo san yedin ka mo mane yeda se efri na de kroya wa ya kire bi ba bekoso e wo mine mu na wo manfo won mo te South Africa mine mu kire se wo mo pam obia ko kuro mu demonstration no ba ba ye no enjo bia nsori nkon kurom se wo ankasa no wo ba ye wo namra kwa so na ba ye o se wo namra kwa so ko kurom na kwa ye adwuma na South Africa de nya de wo mbepene ama obi bia da tena wo na wa ye adwuma ye kasa mampanye se ro ma force de ne ho agim was a wabasra ne manfo say wayetire na won mo ye no de monya bokko na mfampam wo mo won de wotachire na monya ne bokko se mo kwa akoburu obi mo kwa akoprepra obi ne de eno de wo ma ho kwan na mo bokko mo kwa no kwatwe nipa na free ne shop no ma to shop nim no ma woni nkonsa no ma pam so nkoni kurom sa no de wo fo so pa sa nya adwuma e wo South Africa mine mu sansa ne yekoso no wana de hye kora no wo mo kire se wo mo nya adwuma nye wo manfo no ba baje wo mo adwuma ne ade no wotena se no wadwene bibi ete sa ho a na wo ha no wotete ye kasa wo no so ye batan ya woda wo mamu no no nti wo so ye bi de boa na ne manfo so enwoje wo mo ne ye kasa Ghana fo so mpanyimfo ahyase a wo bo na de hye kokose ne ye betumi a mo ntena ha otom mo wie ntu kwan pam no twam no eno na mache no
ensema ye de summa wiei no asi na de makotire bi ene se ensema ye de summa wiei no asi na de makotire bi ene se Ghana Meteorological Agency meteofo de abetu dwase nsuo no a eto enra no yenhwe animu se empotemu bi won kran ha sanso na tabora number 9 edan bi kura aka akra bi am yesi awie enra agiri ede agufom
dum jadwuma ko no so kase ebo mote se won mo bo konta de ba enra nsuo to ye no wo yi na ede wo mai mu
Dr. Dixon Adumako Kisi emre bi echemu no ye mashebedwani wanyanso wutu mode afutuam Adumako Kisi emre bi echemu no ye mashebedwani wanyanso wutu mode afutuam anadmofo se emo ni anwane mattress na wo mo kere nye de ehia ne ye de ehia ansa na ye de fata kwan ye befa so a ye behwe na ensuo ne kura enyiri no eno ne ehia de edikan
ma me zanato agema Rollins de aba wo se wo be ko mrashebedwa fie na war ma so adwene de afa ho enhyehyeye ene nuoma akade anadmodwumako no wo mu hia
Chief Executive Officer the Environmental Protection Agency Professor Nana Ama Brown Kluche nasmo dia to dwane say ye behwe na nsuo bi a efi enam galamse enti esisi kwan no ye yi ni nyina afrimu
sanso no wo bo man ye se wo do river no wan mugusu ada wo mu timu na du ho mu nchemu aduanan
Ensempi kan we no ho ne de som mo se sompa kase body fi sompa 106.5 FM Accra na enyumeko mo boye chidom ye endpoint homeopathy clinic Dr. Duboatin Sebra and na perfect na kase boy fi sompa 106.5 FM Accra no e fa ye headquarters e wokuma se sompa 93.1 Adam Fopa Radio wo Paris France Doma FM Doma Hinkro e 100.7 en Kranza sompa mense wonom e 90.7 tachiman sompa e 106.1 FM so inane sompa ye 98.9 Kingdom Mankasim ɛyɛ 106.1 FM Kanesh Urban Radio ɛwɔ Kaneshi Market decoder so baabi radio no ɛyɛ Sompa FM yɛ Facebook page no ɛyɛ Sompa Accra 106.5 alive Sompa Accra 106.5 alive ɛna YouTube yɛ Sompa FM live na no achi yɛ website yɛ www.sompaonline.com yɛn yɛ de kasiebo yi ɛsom mo awia yi ɛyɛ me die nyame ahyira no akosua ago aboagye wobetimi so afrɛ me akosua nhyira me ne medoba
akosua agyewa kodie boatin
yen sorry sui na ye radio stations affiliate radio station ne toaso tachiman sompa betoaso nkranza sompa sanso na sunya na sompa na sompa kumase ye headquarters ne die sompa nkomo